So we have five elements of structure. Those are the five sections of your case study. Let's start writing. So here I have got some content about the Red Cross Society of Côte d'Ivoire, about its context and history. You may or may not choose to go into that in your own case, but you do want to describe the National Society context. So you should have set up your structure, and right now this piece of information is where it should be in the National Society context. Now, watch what happens when I click on incoming ERU relationship. All of a sudden, I have this blank window on the left-hand side. What happened? Do not panic. You haven't lost anything. This is actually the fundamental difference between Microsoft Word and Creator. In order to support you in concentrating, really, if you're focusing on the incoming ERU relationship to the society, you don't want to be thinking about the National Society context. So every time you click on one of these, um, you are in a specific box in which you can write just about that aspect of it. So if I want to go back to the National Society context, I just click on that and it loads into the left-hand side in Creator. So if I put incoming ERU relationship, so my ERU arrived in Côte d'Ivoire in September, whatever, maybe the start of that story. Of course, if I go to the operation, blank page, if I click on the relevant element of structure, I can always find what I typed in. Now, what if you want to look at the whole thing? Here you have, click on the little I to preview. You see all of the sections. These big blue headers are created automatically. No, you cannot make them purple or change the font. We keep it simple. You can go back to edit mode by clicking on the little yellow pencil. The other way to do it, and you may want to do this later once you're starting to put the pieces together, is to export. You can download a PDF. That tends to be helpful. You can also view in browser. It'll put together a nicely formatted, yes, version of everything I've written, which right now, as you can see, is not very much.